Okay, let's just analyze something together for a minute. So we just found the exact value of sine of 15 degrees. And I've written it here in blue. It was square root of 6 minus square root of 2 all over 4. We tested that in our calculator. So here's something that'll pop up, kind of a common question. Well, isn't sine of 45 minus 30, couldn't I just distribute that sine through? Wouldn't that be the same as sine of 45 minus sine of 30? So let's just check that together for a minute. So if we look here at our unit circle, sine of 45, if we go look at, is square root of 2 over 2. Sine of 30, right, we could find it here as 1/2. So is square root of 2 over 2 minus 1/2 the same as root 6 minus 2 over 4? Well, if we simplify this, we get root 2 minus 1 all over 2. Are these equivalent? Now, it maybe doesn't look like it, maybe it doesn't feel like it. Let's turn to our calculator, right? Easy way to kind of check ourselves. And so let me bring my calculator up. Again, there's that old answer we looked at. So we know what sine of 15 was. Let's just, I guess we could plug this in, but let's just do exactly what we see here. Let's do sine of 45 minus sine of 30. Now let's see what that gives us. Hey, clearly not the same thing, right? And so I do that to prove a point. I don't want to do that and say, oh, I can do that, right? I'm making this very clear, I hope. This is not valid. You cannot distribute sine through there. Sine is a function. It's sine of this stuff. It's not sine times this. So you can't distribute a trig function like that. Okay? Worst case, you can always go check yourself in the calculator, see if, wait, is that valid what I just did? But you cannot distribute sine like that. That's why we need to use those trig formulas, the sum and difference that we're talking about today.